Today I'm going to show you how we can print a specific row on each of our page in Microsoft Excel. So for instance, this is a Microsoft Excel file in which I have this data available with me and I just want to print this thing. So what we will do is that we will do two different sections in our video. The first section is about printing the titles. The second one is managing the page print layout. So if I click on if I press Control P, so you will see that I have a few pages over here, and then there are a few pages obviously which are showing this part of the data. So how can we manage this thing? For this you need to go to View tab, and then you need to click on Page Break, and then you will see different pages. This is page 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is page 5, 6. There will be this dotted line. If you just take this line and drag it over here, it will make it one single page. So now we have 4 different pages available with us. But the problem is, if I click Control P again, I will see the whole page, but the heading or the title is only coming in the first one. So what if I want title on every single page in these 4 pages? One of the options that people usually do, which is the wrong way of doing it, they just copy this thing from here and paste it on the every single page. But the best way or the right way of doing this thing is using print title option, which is available in page layout. You need to go to page layout, and then here you will see this print titles option. You just need to click that print title option, and here you will see this print title, which we can repeat anything, row or column as well. In our case there is this row. I will just click on this, and then I will select this first row because I want to repeat this row on each page, and then I will click OK. And now when I press Control P, you will see the title is reflecting on every single page. So this is how we manage our print preview, and this is how we print titles on each page of our Microsoft Excel print option. Thank you so much, and if you like the video, please press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel.